So Kevin Gates was out here teaching his daughter how to drive, and the kid seems to have a hang of it already. However, Kevin is receiving some backlash as to why he didn't teach her daughter to put on her seatbelt before driving. He responded to one of the critics in his comments, but a lot of people still thinks it's safer to teach her to drive with her seatbelt on. Let's check it out.
You can give it a lick gas. Go about 20. Look at you. Keep that motherfucker in the road. You got that. I'm telling you. Nah, keep straight. You got it. Go all the way up. You can give it a lick gas. You got this. Street. You got it. Come on, man. I'm telling you, you got it. You got it, babe. Just like you drive the other. Come on, keep straight. Come around the curve, just like that. Come around the curve. You got this. That car gonna stay in their lane, you stay in your lane. He don't get in our lane. And you gonna stop at this stop sign right here. Just slow down a little bit and ease on the brake when you get there. There you go. There you go. There you go. Go ahead. Oops. There you go.
Information to somebody that might need it. What's the mission here?
When you follow your heart, you always win. What you do most is what you do best. Mistakes only make us great.
Hey, appreciate it.
If you have stayed with me to this point of the video, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.